What's up? What's going on? It's Downsize Minimalist coming at you. Half of us at least. Still waiting for my partner. So, we have water hose leakage problems, as you may have been following. So, what did we do about it? Well, first of all, we turned the water hose back on, and yeah, it's a little leaky, but that's okay. So, why did we turn it back on if we had all this water pouring out? Well, what we did is we went to the store and we got some washers and some screws, screwed back on. Yes, it's leaking, but it's not leaking as much. We're okay with it. Anyways, we also noticed that we're not getting consistent flow through our hose. So what we did is we shortened up the hose. How did we do that, you ask? Well, if you guys have been following, you know that we had a gray, black, gray. So what we did is we completely took out the gray. We just shortened it up. Why did we do that? Well, we noticed that all that gunk and all the watery gunk was getting stuck in the hose. So we elevated it from the front using a cooler. And if you follow along, we noticed that the black one, by moving, also you notice that we moved the hose to the front of the trailer on the, rather than underneath it. And now we have a consistent flow. How do we have a consistent flow, you ask? Let's go turn on the water and you can see the consistent flow. So, water. Water! We'll leave that on for a second so we can show you. You guys see that? You see the water? So now instead of getting stuck in these hoses, it goes, come on. There it is, you guys see it? See the water? Nice slow drip. So what have we learned? When you're living in a trailer or RV, oh, let's go turn the water off first. Okay. Whew, all right. So what have we learned? When you're living in a trailer or RV and you have a water leak, whether it's on the outside, whether it's on the inside, diagnose the problem if you can, and then try to troubleshoot in the most basic ways. So, we noticed what? What was the problem? We had a water leak. So what did we do? We figured out that there was no washer on there, and it was just being held by like one of those metallic zip ties. I'll show you. One of these, and it wasn't doing the job. And then the metal pipe was in the plastic one that was originally in there. So we took all that off, and then just like the other one that you saw that had like a metallic washer and end keys, we just put that on there. So as you can see, water still drips a little bit, but it's not as intense. The goal there for our next video is that we're going to actually, the person helping us is going to come back on Tuesday, and we're going to, well, not only seal it with some tape, but we're also going to get a piece like that metal pipe, but instead we're going to get this specific piece that goes into the hose that's coming down in order to seal it. Probably very confusing. I'm confused myself. Anyways, going on 5 minutes here, so I just want to shorten this up for you. Okay, anyways, And then as far as the hose goes, the reason we shortened it is because the hose was so long it was getting stuck. So what we did is we shortened it and then we elevated it so it actually goes down into the sewer drain. This has been your PSA on water leaks. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember, subscribe and follow, and please, let's start talking. Leave us some comments, anything. I know we have the blocker setting on, so we have to check all the comments before they come in, but we want to talk, we want to communicate, we want to answer questions because this is all very new to us. We also love your ideas, so come on with it. Love you. Out.